Welcome to the Retirement Matters blog. My name is Dave Grant. I am a certified financial planner and the founder of Retirement Matters, which is a financial planning and investment management company in Barrington, Illinois. Now, today we're talking about robo-advisors. If you don't know what they are, we'll get into it, but also how they're never going to take the place of a human financial advisor. So what is a robo-advisor? It's not a robot sat in an office trying to be a financial advisor. It's actually a financial platform that runs your investments for you and does it somewhat cheaper and somewhat more systematic than a regular human financial advisor would. So some examples of these would be Betterment, Wealthfront. There's a lot of other smaller ones that are out there, but they're not truly robo-advisors if there's a human there. It has to be a computerized program, else it's just a human working with a computer. So are these better for you? I don't think so, and here's a couple reasons why. A robo-advisor, where you're using an algorithm to figure out your investments and automate the whole thing, it's really good for accumulating assets. Now, that's okay throughout your entire career, but when you get to retirement, you now have to take money from your investments, and that's where a robo-advisor really, they're not built for that. They're built for accumulating things, building models, reinvesting, and when it gets down to taking money out, that's where you start to have to understand, well, how does money get taken out? Where do you need it? What type of accounts are you in? Designing a retirement income plan is not part of the algorithm that a robo-advisor was built for, so it doesn't really work. Now let's say that you are an executive in a company and you get given company stock and you want to keep that company stock but not have it be a huge portion of your portfolio, and you don't want all these different platforms to invest your money, you just want one platform, and so you choose this robo-advisor. They're going to sell all your single stock. They don't have the capability to hold that single stock and run an asset allocation model for you and make sure everything runs in lockstep. That's not how they're designed. They're designed to take your money, whether it be cash, and invest it, or your current positions, sell them, and then invest it in its model. That's really what they're there for. It is not designed to have sophisticated and kind of specific models that you're looking for to maintain your situation. They're just not built for that. So lastly, the main reason that I don't think that a robo-advisor really should be taking the place of a personal human financial advisor is we all need communication and conversation about our lives. For some people, they need to understand their investments a lot more than they can understand as being shown on a screen. They need to be told stories about their investments and understand, well, this is great, me seeing this model, but how does this affect me in the future? How am I going to take this model and turn it into an income plan? Or what happens to this model if I decide that I want to split my account in two and do different things and leave one to charity and leave one to my kids? What can I do there? Or what happens if I get, a big bonus and I want to do something a little different with it and not just put it into a model? We all need these conversations about money. Money's a difficult topic to discuss, and we've all got these emotional attachments tied to it. We don't need a robot. We need a human to talk to. And we need to process all these feelings with someone who can actually have some empathy back to us, not just say, well, my model solves everything. So in being in the place that I am always talking to people about their retirement. It's always a more involved conversation I think about every time with a client. It gets into some quite challenging topics at times. It's never really about investments and the model. It's all about how are these investments going to help me? How is this going to help me generate income? What do I need to do to get to that retirement place that I really want to be in? So for me, a robo-advisor over here and me over there, we're never competing with each other. And that way I don't think a robo-advisor should ever take the place of a human advisor. My name's Dave Grant. You can find me at retirementmattersillinois.com. If you're needing help with your financial plan, if you're needing help with your investments and think a robo might be the way to go, let's chat about it. Let's see if it really is the way to go and how you should have a financial plan for yourself. Until next time, take care.